To be honest with you, I found the whole thing very insightful. I think he's very knowledgeable in what he does. A lot of the problems here, I think, were personality problems. In the past year that he's been here, things have changed a lot, and they've changed for the better. And I think a lot of that I gotta give Skip credit for. I'll be honest with you, the other people reminded me of like marriage counselors, you know, and they would come in and they would take the two people that were having issues and put them in a room together and try to solve their difficulties. When we finally got a hold of Skip, he came in here and he completely changed the way everybody was looking at everything. I think Skip did it in a different way because he pointed us all in the right direction. He's been very beneficial in kind of getting us all together and moving in the same direction. Now, I don't think we argue about anything ever. We work better with the shop, we work better with each other. Everybody's a lot calmer. Definitely a success story.
I am the oldest one here. I have been working in this place for 37 years. But there is this man, let's say, Skip, he came to the rescue, you know. So, since he started working here, he put a lot of effort, you know, to try to fix the problem because he started interviewing everybody. He was like our savior here. For the last 8-9 months, you know, now the place is very quiet outside. People, you know, getting along. So it seems like the black cloud went away. It's more like, more friendly, you know. It's more like a brotherhood, I can call, you know, like family, you know. He brought peace to this place, you know.